Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to see or check and clear or delete run dialog box history in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want delete or check your run dialog box history, I will show you in this video how to do this. First of all, open your register editor. For that you need to press Windows key, then type here register editor. Then click on register editor, click on as. In this, double click on HKUI current user, then double click on software, double click on Microsoft, double click on Windows, double click on current version. Here you search Explorer, you can see here Explorer, double click on Explorer. Here you search run MRU, click on run MRU. Now you can see here all run dialog box history. If you want delete, right click and delete from here. Click on yes, select and right click, click on delete. That's it guys. So in this way you see and delete run dialog box history in Windows 10 and 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.